Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty Only. So I hope my voice is clear to you because I'm suffering from cold. Please bear with me, and I could not post videos for last couple of days because I was not well. I was down with fever. Okay, so without wasting time, I would try to cover quick things and few learning. So don't skip this video till the end. Okay, so let me show one thing. As we do keep a track of Dow Jones as well, which is US market. So US market has already given a bull run and it has broken its all-time high. If you look at this, and from where this particular point it has, what we can say, it it may retrace or it can give a pullback or whatever we call, or we may see a downfall from this particular point from where it has given the resistance at the highest point as well. So this is what we follow from Dow Jones point of view. Next thing what I wanted to show is from day viewpoint. Okay, so I hope you might have visited, or I'm just trying to recall whether I had shown you this particular falling three methods or not. Let me just open this quickly. To the extent what I remember, falling three methods. Okay, yes, the falling three methods. So what was this particular article indicating, or what does this pattern indicate? That it would continue its downtrend. Okay, the same thing we saw when market opened the next day. We saw a big uh, downfall, and then market bounced back heavily. Okay, so if you look at this five candles, one, two, three, four, five, it indicates the falling three method. Okay, it indicates the continuation of a downtrend. But similarly, when you see with this candle, one, two, three, four, five. Now if you take this candle, or you can take this candle till here as well. So this pattern is a rising three methods. Okay, so it indicates an uptrend. So in this way you should analyze. And also if you look at from price action point of view, this was the lowest low, we got the higher low, and this is the next higher low. Okay, so market is making a bullish movement by making a higher lows. So this pattern I just want to show you. This is exactly the rising three methods, 1 2 3. Okay, where market moved up. Okay, 1 2 3, market bounced up, and falling three methods, a big candle, 1 2 3, and down, a big candle, 1 2 3, fourth, and we saw a downfall. Okay, so this was from the learning point of view. And let us see the intraday levels and analysis for tomorrow. So what we can see at 35,500, market has formed a good support. This is the stronger level. Both these levels are of what we can say equal strength or good support based on the OI data in the option chain analysis. In between 36,200 to 300, we can see a good support zone. Okay, and considering the swing, 350 is a good support level in between 36,200 to 36,500. Okay, and at the moment 36,500 is acting as a strong resistance level where market has taken a pause. So just above it, from 36,600 to 700 is the good resistance zone, and at the top we have a resistance of 37,000, which is another big round number. So just keep this thing in mind. Also take a look at the trend line I have drawn. So market has moved very steeply. Okay, so whenever we see such steep movements, always be prepared for a correction or a sideways movement. Just to give an example, you can see how market rallied in this particular point. So whenever market moves in this particular direction, it either moves sideways or we get to see immediate downfall, or we call it as a V-shaped recovery. So it might happen that market may cross 36,500 and it can go sideways. Just to take an example, you can see over here that market taking support of this particular level once. This is around this particular twice, thrice, fourth, the fifth time it broke. Okay, so same thing, we can see market may take resistance or it may break and go into the sideways zone, or if this level is crossed 36,700, then we can see a good rally up to 37,000 as well. So basically try to follow the three patterns what we see, how to take the trade based on market opening. So if market opens gap up, okay, above 36,700, then you can enter into a buy trade. If opens gap up below this level, then do not enter into the trade, let the market show its move and then take the trade. If it opens flat between this particular level, then we can follow the strategy of buy on dips. Let it come down, and when it starts moving upward, we can take a buy. So if it moves, what I mean to say, gap down below this particular level, 350 level, then we do have a good support. And same, we can use the strategy of buy on dips as well. One more thing, what I wanted to show is, this is a spot chart what we see for 15 minutes. Now let me show you the Bank Nifty's future chart. Okay, you might be amazed to see how Bank Nifty reacted today. So this is the Bank Nifty's future chart. Okay, just see where the Bank Nifty has opened. Okay, it has opened around 36,600. So it came down and then again market pushed, or bulls pushed it. So we can understand that there is a resistance at the top over here around 36,500 levels on the spot chart of the Bank Nifty. So trade accordingly with a strict stop loss as well. One more thing I just wanted to share with you guys. I was doing some research and studying extra things, and I had marked, this is my other trading view account, and I had marked this 3rd Jan as 3rd Jan as one of the important dates where market can make a high. So those who are interested or believe in astrology, they can take a look at this particular thing as well, based on the full moon day and new moon day. So why I had marked this, so if you remember, on Saturday or Sunday, close to, it was Amavasya day. So based on the Amavasya and Purnima effect, you are able to mark those highs and lows or not. So it may not work 100% correctly, but you can get an idea. So just to see whether it works or not, I had marked this 3rd Jan that market could make a top, and same thing we got to see today as well. So for, if you want more details, just let me know in the comment section. I would try to make a video on those things as well. Okay. Okay, just one more thing. If you like my analysis, please hit the like button and share it with your friends as well. Thank you.